Uptown Swing, level 1, 6 count, the end of the month with Peter and Naomi.
We did this. Ascend out. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple. Check out this send out. Hey, just like that. And we changed hands. We did a side pass.
Pass squat.
Then we did this one.
Back to close.
You can really put these together nicely. I'm moving, catch my partner, bring my partner. And if you're feeling fancy, you could do the rock, step, triple step, turn, turn. Foreshadowing for 8 count month.
We also did 6 count down the line. Get over here.
Oh yeah, we practiced this one. Stop.
Leaders cross the line.
This is great practice for when we're in open position and we want to catch our partners that way. Leaders, you can say, come here, catch, come here again.
Followers, face your partner, GD it.
And then we did the cuddle.
We did.
Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Let's show it this way. We go rock, step, triple, triple.
Cuddle up and out.
You can also do rock, step, triple, psych, triple.
Boom,
Rock, step,
boom, triple.
That
Boom,
was
boom,
it.
triple.
And hey, oh,